Sukhoi Su-27 Russia intercepted US P-8A Poseidon reconnaissance aircraft over the Baltic Sea. A Sukhoi Su-27 Russian fighter jet intercepts a US P-8A Poseidon reconnaissance aircraft over the Baltic Sea, the Russian Defense Ministry announced on Monday. Airspace control equipment registers targets over the neutral waters of the Baltic Sea, which are close to Russia's borders, the ministry said. Warning of the rapid reaction of Su-27 fighters from the Air Defense Force was scrambled to intercept targets in the air. Russian fighter crew approached the air object at a safe distance and identified it as a P-8A Poseidon reconnaissance aircraft from a U.S. Air Force reconnaissance aircraft, the ministry notes. Russian aircraft then returned to their home air bases, the ministry said. The Su-27 is a fourth-generation, multi-generation supersonic multi-weather fighter armed with various types of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. Su-27 has 10 to 12 external hardpoints for missiles. The jet fighter is also equipped with an automatic 30mm aircraft gun, with a shot speed of 1,500 grains per minute and 150-grain ammunition load. P-8 Poseidon is an anti-submarine war patrol aircraft designed to see and destroy enemy submarines in the field of patrol and reconnaissance and take part in anti-ship and rescue operations. The Russian Ministry of Defense regularly provides flight statistics with fighter jets from the Air Force to intercept and overshadow foreign military aircraft near the Russian border, but without giving details of specific incidents. Defense Ministry newspaper Krasnaya Zvezda reported on January 25 that Russian Air Force fighter jets were scrambled twice a week to prevent violations of the country's airspace. According to the newspaper, fighter planes foiled attempts to violate Russian airspace.